All right, so I got these crazy little fidget things for adults. I don't see why kids couldn't use them either, but it's something that, like, if you need something to mess around with, then it's there, right? So these come with like a keychain you can either remove or keep on them. They do have like a separator that you gotta remove before it works. So here is the dinosaur. You just press down on its head. And it lights up. And what's neat about it is it does take a C charger cord, which everybody has those nowadays. And here's the duck. I can see how like having this on your desk at work can be like, okay, I got this. Here's the frog. Yeah, that one sounds really good. But they light up really cute too. I love me some fidget things.